In this video, I'll show you how to track location using Google Maps phone number. Once a person shares their location with you on Google Maps, you can track it in real time. And here's how to view their location. Firstly, open the link provided by the person to view their live location. The link will open in Google Maps, showing in the real-time location of the person sharing their location with you. To track the person with mobile number from Google Maps, you can use Phone Tracker by Number. This application tracks a phone's location by sending a connection request. Only one invitation needed per phone to track it. You can find it on Google Play Store or App Store. The application is free, but otherwise the other person needs to install the app for tracking to work on their device. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.